This is the video tutorial on inspiration, and we're using inspiration to create graphic organizers. First graphic organizers for our narrative essay. It starts with the main idea. So we just get in there and we double click. Whoops, I'm moving it around. So you get in there and entitle this your topic, or if you have a title, type in your title. Mine was Life of Riley. Riley's a dog I had, and we talked about that a little bit. If you don't have the title, that's okay. A couple ways to make the subtopics now. We're going to make subtopics of setting, emotions we felt, realizations we have, etc. You can use this button here called Create. By clicking this one, I'm going to create bubbles that connect to my topic, my main topic. So I want it to appear up here, so I'm going to click this bubble right here. And I'm going to call this one Emotions. And I have to go back down here. If I keep this clicked and click the Create again, it's going to connect it to Emotions. So I might describe one of the emotions I have here. In fact, I should do that, but not right at this moment. I'm going to delete that. I have to click the main topic, Emotions. I'm going to go out here and say Characters. Click Life O'Reilly again, and I'm going to have the next one go out on the bottom, and I'm going to write Realizations. And I need settings, so I need settings to connect to my main topic. And I had more, but for the purpose of this video, we'll keep it simple. The other way to add these topics, so for the emotions, is called rapid fire. If I click rapid fire, and now the bubbles are added automatically, and I don't get to choose where they appear, they just appear. So I felt angry. And when I hit enter, they just appear, they just pop out. Sorrow. And you get the idea. Okay, characters. So I had, I kind of like this one better. I kind of like choosing where it appears. Characters were Riley. And I could further describe Riley by clicking more. Shepherd mix. I'm getting a nice topic map here for myself. Settings, I'm going to go ahead and add a few settings. Slow. Then I was in Montana the oral part of my essay. Okay, you get the idea, but now comes the fun part. I can make some changes here, so I can increase the text, the font size, or change the font here. The main idea, I might want to go to text and make it a little larger. Okay, so I'll make the text a little larger for Life O'Reilly, and I have to move thing. Whoops, move. I can just simply drag things around because this is the fun part. Move these around here. Get this stuff out of the way. Okay, so, and I can reshape things. So if I click on it and I grab this, just like with any kind of graphics, I can reshape it. Made it a little too small though. Maybe my text is just a bit big, so I'm going to change that. Okay, size, I can bring it down. I think that fits pretty good. Okay, so here we go, and now I can change the fill color of this. So I'm going to go click on this and say Effect, Fill Color, and pick something nicer. I can work with this text a little bit. Change the color of the text. Maybe make it pink. Oh, that looks awful. Okay. It's pretty awful. I think I'll switch it here. Like a dark blue or something. Okay, that looks okay. Now here's the cool part. Let's say I want to change all my subtopics. I click on one subtopic, edit, select that level of subtopics. Once again, click the subtopic, edit, select this level. Now I can change when I go to effect and I change the fill color. It changes changes all of them. Fill color, all of those will change. Let's make it like a light green. It was already light green. So the fill color, let's go ahead here. Okay, and I can do the same thing with the text. Change the font, maybe make it slightly larger. Change the color of the font. Really, here's where you really get creative. and lots of things to change. So you can also change the shapes here. Let's say I want this to be um, lots to choose from. It can even be images if you'd like. I kind of like the shapes myself, but goes on and on and on. So the different boxes, like a box, a kind of like that. Could be a picture too, if you like that. Oh, well, there's a dog. It could be a dog. And then these can be clouds if I wanted. Go up here, edit, select this level. Selects all that level, maybe make these clouds. And you see how creative I'm getting here. I'm going to select all of that level. And I recommend going, when you select a level, select all of the level, this level, and make all the symbols the same so you don't get confused here. Effect, fill color. Okay. And another thing I can do here is change the whole background color. Background color of the whole thing. And I'm getting even more creative, and you can see how I can go on and on here. So I can select a level. I can select like a fill pattern for it. No one has a pattern. That looks absolutely terrible, but that's okay because I'm just testing out the program. Then let's see here. I can select all, and change all the lines if you wanted. The line thickness. I kind of like making the lines a little thicker. I think that looks nice, a little nicer. And then you can arrange it how you like. And it looks nice. You can end up with a really nice graphic organizer. Probably look nicer than this one. And what you can do now is we're going to export it as a GIF so we can put it on a website or include it as a graphic in our essay or as part of it. So I'm going to say File and Export. Keep it as a GIF. Transparent background means the background will be whatever color it's on. So if I uncheck that, I'll see the purple. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and save it. And here's basically what it looks like. Okay, unfortunately the color didn't ring true for this one, but that's it in a nutshell. And that's inspiration. That's basically the gist of it. Good luck. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.